phonics time!
Hello everybody. This is page 26 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this page is the Let's Read page for Unit 3. So first we're going to trace and match these words right here, and we'll trace the word, then match it to the letter, and then on the other side we'll match the letter to the picture. And these were the phonics words for the D, 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 and T, 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 T sounds. And in your student books, they looked like this.
D, 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 desk, duck, door, T, 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 tiger, two, toys.
All right, let's start. Number 1 is desk. D, E, S, K, desk. Starts with a D. This is a desk. Number 2 is tiger. T, T, tig, tig, tiger. Starts with a T. Here's a tiger. Number 3 is two. T, W, O. Starts with a T. Here is the number 2. Number 4 is duck. D, da, duck. Starts with a D. Here is a duck. Number 5 is door. D, da, do, door. Starts with a D. Here's the D. Here's the door. Number 4 is toys. T, toy, toys. Starts with a T. Here are the toys. Part A is done. All right, this is part B, and it says write. So we will take all the words from up here and we'll put them down into these shopping bags. These are the d words, and over here we're going to put the t words. First one is duck, D-U-C-K, and the second D word up here is desk. So we'll start right here, D-E-S-K, desk. And the third D word was door. D-O-O-R, door. T words. The first one is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. The second T word was two. T-W-O. And the last T word was toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Part B is done, and we're all finished. Great job today.